Hello. Some students have been coming to me stating that they do not see their Google link at the top of their classrooms. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys how to do that. Um, so I've already done it for my classes, but when you sign in, if you are using Google Meet, and many of the students say you are, uh, to put this link up here, there should be a generate link button. Maybe you've already clicked on that, maybe you haven't. If you need to do that though, you just go up to the gearbox and go down and you'll see this meet option down here. To make it visible to the students, if you already have this, just make sure that this is checked off. Checking this off and on simply takes that link away. It doesn't change the link or anything, it just makes it visible to the students or invisible to the students. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick. I know many students are coming to me saying that some of you are having trouble doing this. Hope this helps. Oh, and don't forget to save it when you're done. Bye.